Over the last few days I've been getting the TifTuf baked down to around 5mm. It lost a little colour after not being able to cut it for about 2 weeks, but it's starting to look good for Christmas Day. Now, my favourite holiday movie is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I've always wanted to stand out from my neighbours and bring a bit of Christmas cheer. So this year I decided to give the turf a little pop. Now, did I go over the top? Well, if you ask my wife, that would be yes. Does it look natural? No, and it's not meant to. Has it got people talking? It certainly has. So, how did I do it? Well, on this small patch that is about 30 square metres, I used about 65 mils of Lawnporn Instagreen. Now that's just over double the recommended rate. Now, if you want to go for a more natural look, obviously follow the label, but for a bit of Christmas fun, I don't mind it. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and remember, if you can't be grassed, get grass again.